Thomas, how you doing there, mate?
Yeah, not bad, mate. How are you?
Good, good. The camera's there.
Yeah.
So you've just come back from your driving test?
Yes, I have.
Yep, so now you were having a couple of lessons somewhere else and then Mum contacted us through you.
Yep.
On your behalf. Why the change? What was happening before?
I was just trying to find, like, I don't know, I guess a cheaper instructor, or maybe, well, I'm not really sure. My mum did most of the finding and stuff.
Sure.
But we ended up with you, and yeah, it's pretty good.
What was the noticeable difference? Did you?
Oh, way more strict. You know, you focus on the little sort of things that other instructors wouldn't pick up.
Yeah.
As well.
So you use the word strict for that, do you?
Yeah.
Why not use the word properly? Driving properly.
Yeah.
Because you've come back with 94 out of 100, mate.
Yep. Got my bloody P's.
And you got your BPs, yeah. No, that's great. We had a good few sessions, didn't we? I think we had about 4 or 5, didn't we?
Yeah, we had 4.
Yeah. So we got everything tidied up.
Yeah.
And mate, the way you knock out those parallel parks, tell everybody how easy they are.
Oh, they look a lot harder than they actually are. Once you actually know what you're doing, there's a lot of steps, but it's pretty easy.
It's the training, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's how it's delivered.
Yeah.
The understanding, the clarity of that makes it simplicity to apply yourself.
Yeah.
No, well done, mate. Well, you can carry on with your studies now. You've got school holidays, so enjoy those.
All right, thank you.
And Monday, go pick up your P's, eh?
Yeah, exactly.
Good on you.
Thank you.
Any other last words you'd like to share with the other students?
Oh,
Looking for a driving school?
go with Carmen.
Why?
Oh, he's best instructor on the planet.
Oh, mate. Non-paid advertising. See ya. Thanks, Thomas. See ya.
Mate.